The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle was written in 1970. It tells the story of a newborn caterpillar that munches its way through the pages of a picture book. As it devours more and more food, it gets fatter and fatter. Eventually, its metamorphosis begins, and it transforms into a beautiful butterfly. Almost every scene within the book depicts the very hungry caterpillar wriggling its way through the pages. It's this movement that the model sets out to animate. At 36 centimetres long, 30 centimetres high and 9 centimetres wide, the model falls well within the maximum dimensions specified in the design brief. The user of the model applies a rotational force via the crank handle through the crank to turn the camshaft. As the camshaft rotates, the cam lobes do likewise. The eccentric movement of the cam lobes converts a rotary motion into a linear reciprocating motion, which moves the cam follower shafts. The wriggling effect of the model is created by each cam lobe being out of phase with its neighbour by approximately 45 degrees. The case of the model is made of pine. This includes the base, the sides and the top. The camshaft and follower shafts are made of wooden dowel. The cam lobes and caterpillar head are made from wooden chair leg. The caterpillar body is made from steel wheel nuts. 65mm nails hold the base to the top and to the sides. The crank is attached to the camshaft via an interference fit and a set screw. The camshaft is attached to the cam lobes via an interference fit. The caterpillar head is attached to its cam follower via an interference fit. As are the antenna. So the model is constructed to a relatively tough standard, and it's unlikely to suffer any breakage when used under supervision. As the follower shafts are not captured though, there is the possibility that these may go missing over time. After the model had been painted, the friction had increased at the contact surface between the cam lobes and the follower shafts. To remedy this, a non-toxic lubricant was applied and the movement became smooth once again. The crank split the first time that the set screw was installed, so the hole was pre-drilled using a larger drill bit during the subsequent attempt and no cracking occurred. The Very Hungry Camterpillar.